A prayer for empowerment and unity. Dear God, we thank you for the women who have walked before us and those who walk beside us. We thank you for their courage, wisdom, and relentless hope in the face of adversity. Today, we pray for every woman that she may be empowered by your Spirit to live boldly and authentically. Lord, help women to stand firm in their worth and know that they are made in your image, perfect and full of purpose. May they embrace the roles as leaders, healers, and nurturers, creating a world that is more compassionate and just for all. We ask that you surround them with encouragement, open doors of opportunity, and grant them the strength to overcome any challenges they faced. Help them to lift every other up in unity, supporting and empowering one another to achieve their fullest potential. We also pray for men and women to work together in harmony, respecting and uplifting each other's value and contributions. May your love guide our relationships and bring peace to our world. We thank you for the strength, love, and beauty that every woman brings to this world. May they always feel your presence and be inspired by your grace. In your name, Amen.